No, by design, the Schwintek Slide system requires no lubrication to maintain normal operation. A video released by Lippert in 2014 outlined the steps to lubricate a Schwintek slide mechanism. Those systems used in both motorized and towable units are the same. Noise created while in transit on towable units is not heard. This video was created to assist customers who are experiencing excessive noise from a specific area of the mechanism while in transit. The lubrication process was not a form of maintenance and/or did not outline precautionary steps required for proper system function. The Schwintek Slide system depicted in the video through continued product development is no longer equipped on motorized units. Current systems feature composite components in place of the metal components, which were identified to be causing the excessive noise. As a result, the video has been removed from our listings to avoid confusion to any of our current publications, which make the statement of no lubrication being required for the Schwintek Slide system. For product support for the Schwintek Slide system or any of your Lippert products, contact the Lippert Customer Care Center, 432 Lippert, or customer service at lci1.com.